Now, the big splash, the mighty, and finally, the powerhouses. Let's get this started. Prepare for a whirlwind cash dash in quick cash. The team that secures a big enough stash first will triumph.
Right you are, Scotty. Time to turn up the heat in this thrilling cash quest.
The mighty sure pack a punch, and they've started to unpack Vault 1.
Scanning that area! Scanning that area! Here we go, Scotty. The teams are getting to know each other out there. And by that I mean, we have our first elimination.
Peacetime is over, folks. The big splash are close to getting wiped. I feel for their lonely contestant out there.
Gas mine time! Mine the mine!
The big splash are back in the arena, folks. The mighty are looking to make a name for themselves. First cash out started. Are not even close to full strength right now. Only one valiant contestant left.
Throwing sonar grenade!
This is exactly what the powerhouses needed. They pocketed our first cash out. The big splash are back in action. The big splash are jumping in, unlocking Vault 2.
The excitement never stops in the finals, and we've got a new event just around the corner. Our contestants can now make those previously impossible jumps to get out of trouble or chase down opponents.
contestants are probably contemplating a track and field career, at least in high jump, as our low-gravity event continues. The Big Splash have started a cash-out.
We've reached the end of this game show event.
Strategically steal a cash out.
Risky moves reap rewards.
The clock has stopped, and what a match we've just witnessed. It's lights out in the arena, just as the spotlight swings to our winners. From all of us here at the finals, thanks for watching.